Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use import range function in Google Sheet. So import range function is used to move data from one file to another file in Google Sheet, okay, automatically. Okay, so I want to move this data to this product one uh, file. So how to do it? You have to use this import range function. So go to a1, click on equals to, okay, go to a1 equals to, then type import range, then it will ask for a spreadsheet URL. Okay, so you have to just copy this URL, okay, then inverted comma, then paste this URL, inverted comma, close, then again comma. Okay, now you have to type the sheet name. So sheet name is sheet1, so you have to type in inverted commas, type sheet1, then exclamatory mark, then go again product data, the original, okay, file, and then you have to select the table and copy the name box, okay, and paste it here. Now again inverted comma, close, bracket, close. Now here you will see a reference error. You have to just here allow access, click on the allow access, and then you will see the data is moved. So like this you can use import range function in Google Sheet. If I change any name here, you will see I make it to mango1, then you will see the name will be changed here also. Okay, so like this you can use this function. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.